finishing today's workout. If you feel like doing more workouts, check out my link in the description below to my Glow Mini playlist. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize, just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for working out with me today, and I hope to see you next one. Bye!